On Mac machines, the predominant package manager of choice is Homebrew. Go ahead and go to brew.sh in your web browser and then scroll down and copy the commands that they have conveniently put there for you. And now let's do something cool. Go ahead and type command space. This opens up what's called the spotlight on your computer, and you can actually use the spotlight to open up any program and find any files on your computer. However, what we're going to do here today is type terminal and then go ahead and hit enter when you see terminal pop up in the results. The terminal is the developer's best friend. It is your window into the soul of your computer. You can do literally whatever you want in it, including completely screwing up your computer. Naturally, we won't be doing that, at least not in this course. Now go ahead and paste in the value you copied from the web browser, do it like a real engineer, and use keyboard shortcuts, Command V. It'll ask you for your password, that's okay, you are not being hacked. After you finish installing, you should see installation successful somewhere in the output, and that's a good sign. To confirm that it worked, you can type which brew, and it should print out a file path where your brew is now installed. And now we use our new package manager to install the packages that we need. Now first let's install git. Go ahead and type brew install git. Same thing again, bunch of text is going to fly by, and then at the very end you can confirm that it worked by typing which git. Should print out a file path where git is now installed, and then actually for Mac machines Vim comes installed by default, so you can confirm this by also typing which Vim. You should be good to go now. I'll see you in a couple videos.